physicist, I would have been a musician. I often think in music, my dreams are in music, and I often live in music. So while the research on the Einstein brain are still on, and particularly as a corporate member, if I look back into my life journey, being a member of the corporate family, Maharat BSU NTPC Limited for almost like 2 decades now, being an established national level flutist, imperial artist of Ministry of Culture, and very interestingly, MTech in data science. So I have had my own life learning experiences finding this beautiful correlation between expressive art, per se any art, not only music, and one's individual, departmental, and corporate or organizational performance as a whole. And this is particularly post-COVID, we have been able to realize and entertain this much more. So all you might be wondering what this performance is going to be all about. So next few minutes of this brief cultural presentation would consist of 4 brief musical compositions. And primarily I'm a classical flutist, but I'm going to make it a mix of classical and semi-classical. But believe me, each of these 4 brief performances relate to the theme that I've been talking out throughout the day, that is embracing change while driving the growth. So my humble request would only be to sit, relax, and enjoy this beautiful correlation. With the permission of all, we start up here. And I would like to thank the iGov Media and GovConnect team, and particularly for recognizing and appreciating the efforts of PSCs. That's really beautiful. And along with me, once again, another corporate member, he is Mr. Yuvraj Chauhan from Bureau of Indian Standards. So you can see how this is coming up. Now, the very first presentation that we're going to present is about having that zeal or enthusiasm into you, into yourself. Because until unless you have that zeal or enthusiasm about any idea, you don't start working about it. That is the first requirement. So the first brief presentation is from that particular song. We all must have heard that song, Dil Hai Chhota Sa. So it's a very innocent heart that carries that particular idea, that zeal. I want to do something in life. Dil hai chhota sa, choti si kasha in front of you. Thank you. Your claps actually give me a lot of boost. Now, इससे एक आइडिया क्लियर हुआ कि सबसे पहले जो ज़रूरी है वो तो ज़ील और एंथुसियाज्म की हम सभी में एक छोटा सा बच्चा रहता है. आई थिंक एवरीबडी वुड एग्री विद दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. Now the second is, once we have that zeal and enthusiasm, that particular child full of growth dreams, the second word. जब आप ड्रीम करते हैं कि कुछ करना है, चाहे वो आपका प्रोफेशनल हो, पर्सनल हो, then only you actually start realizing it. Now here with this comes our second brief presentation, देखा एक ख्वाब, तो ये सिलसिले हुए, once again co-related with a particular theme, relax and enjoy. Now here we move from holding that particular idea as a child, converting into a dream, and I start working towards it, realizing it, working day and night for it. Now what happens next? You need a team. You actually collaborate with your colleagues, you actually collaborate with the ideas of the same frequency, with the same idea, and there becomes the idea or comes the concept of collaboration, coherence. ये अगली performance का part होगा. I would like to call upon all of you, particularly those enjoying the late musical melodies of 80s and 90s. If you recall, there was a national musical theme, that music that came on, national integration. बजे सरगम हर तरफ से गूंज बनकर देश राग. Now this was based on national integration, but also relates to the corporate integration as well. Very beautifully interrelated, because every note in the music, when it comes together, it becomes a music. And that is what also true about team playing. So बजे सरगम हर तरफ से. I hope you were able to enjoy that pacing up. And I recall the words of he's Padma Shri, he's a very famous vocalist, Vasuputin Dagarji. He mentioned in some of the interaction with me that the only difference between space and pace is an alphabet, that is S. If you remove the S, it becomes space. If you keep it, it becomes a space. So that's the concept that applies to us also working as a team. You saw the pace coming up together. Now with the last mini performance coming up, now what remains? You thought of as an idea, you converted into dream, then you started realizing it as a team, collaborating together. Then of course, what remains is the result, the achievements for which we are together. And with achievements comes the celebration. So the last musical piece was all about celebration. It's a very famous Qawwali, Damadam Mast Kalanda. And I'm very pleased to share also that the original flute in it carries my father's flute. So I'm also personally touched with it. So with this, we look forward to your words of appreciation. Damadam Mast Kalanda.